So, it looks like Nothing is finally gearing up to break its silence. After a long stretch with zero updates, the company has sparked fresh speculation with two mysterious emoji posts on X. One shows a smartphone, the other, the number 3. It doesn't take much decoding. These are the first true signals that the long-delayed phone 3 is about to surface. But let's not jump the gun just yet. There's still no official reveal, no press release, and no comment from Carl Pei. Aside from those emojis, Nothing has kept its cards close to the chest. Still, considering the phone 3's absence last year, even subtle teases like these are noteworthy. The delay wasn't random. Nothing decided to pause the phone 3 project in favor of exploring artificial intelligence. Carl Pei explained the pivot himself, saying they were rethinking how smartphones should work, arguing that user experience hasn't meaningfully evolved in over a decade. That vision of deeper AI integration took priority. That shift gave us the phone 3A and 3A Pro earlier this year, devices that introduced Nothing's first real stab at on-device AI. With them came the Essential Key, a new physical button, and the Essential Space interface, which helps users manage tasks like screenshots, voice memos, and content organization in a smarter, more streamlined way. But the real flagship, the phone 3, has remained in the shadows. Back in January, co-founder Akis Evangelidis reaffirmed the device was still on track for a 2025 launch, describing it as a major milestone in the company's roadmap. Then, just a week ago, Carl Pei chimed in to confirm that the phone 3 will, without question, be launching in the US. And now, almost immediately after that promise, the teaser campaign has begun. As for confirmed specs, there aren't any. A past database entry hinted at a 6.5-inch OLED display, and the processor remains up for debate. Some sources suggest the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, the same chip used in the 3A line, while others expect a bump to the more capable 8S Gen 3. Either way, both options align with Nothing's ambitions to embed more AI functionality at the system level. For now, we're still in teaser territory, but with signs starting to align and momentum building, the phone 3 launch could be closer than anyone expected. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.